Hello, my people. Hey. Do you know the new in Alberti Couture Salon now? You don't know, my sister. Let me tell you. In Alberti Couture Salon, it's 10% off every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And doesn't finish. It's 24-hour salon. In Alberti Couture Salon, 24 hours. And Alberti Couture Salon have 4 locations. Gaithersburg Maryland, Dumfries Virginia, Columbia Maryland, and Pasadena Maryland. Please call that number. Only one number, 301-765-4915, and you get all locations. In Alberti Couture Salon, you can do appointment or you can also walk in. Call 301-765-4915. And let me tell you, the last one, open your ear so you can hear very well. Alberti Couture Salon have his own hairline, the best hair extension. That hair doesn't tangle, no shading. I'm telling you. And when you buy wig in Alberti Couture Salon, you have huge discount on your installation. And if you buy the hair, the bundle hair in Alberti Couture Salon, you have huge discounts. Please call that number, 301-765-4915. Yes. Don't tell Albertine it's me. Don't tell Albertine it's me telling you. I love you guys.